Hi, I'm Shabir Safdar from the California Way team, and I thought we'd take a moment to show you what it is like to canvass. We actually are the first canvassing experience that a lot of people do in their a life of political involvement and volunteering. And it's because we make it really easy and we have a very high return rate and a very high satisfaction rate with the kind of canvassing we do. So I'm going to show you right now the 3 steps of canvassing that generates one new vote on election day that wasn't there before. Watch.
Hi, I'm Shabir. I'm an election volunteer. This is my buddy Gene.
Hi, how are you?
So we have an election this year in March, which never happens before, right? It's a whole new time for the primary. And we have these reminder cards that if you just sign your name right before the election, I'll send it back to you like a dentist reminder card. And I know you always vote, but if you do this, it'll make my numbers look really good, and you'll possibly forget. So would you mind?
Great, obviously.
Okay, and the second one for the November election.
Okay.
Right there. Awesome. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you for the work you do.
Thank you. Have a
Appreciate
nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And that's actually it. You're in and out in under a minute. You're not trying to convince the person of anything. And because we carefully pick the voters we send you to, they all tend to be registered Democrats or Democratic leaning, no party preference voters. Our numbers from the 2018 midterm show that if you have that conversation and get 10 people to sign a postcard, many of those people will vote. But when compared to people that we don't postcard that have the same voter history, one of those people that did not show up in the last similar election will show up in this election because of the postcard. So it's a really, really important and effective turnout thing that you can do to get more Democrats and Democratic leaning voters to the polls. And that is a really good way to spend your volunteer time. Thank you. And check the next screen to see opportunities to volunteer throughout the 2020 election cycle. Bye-bye.